In this video, I will show you how to copy table from PDF to Excel. So we have this PDF and we want to some table in Excel worksheet. Open Excel, data, get data from file and select from PDF. Select your PDF where you have the data. Select any table which you want to import, you want to copy in your Excel worksheet. If you select here, so you can select multiple table like this. Then click on transform data. Now here click on close and load. Then click on convert to range. So this is the way guys you can import data in Microsoft Excel. You can copy data from PDF. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.